Hi and welcome to Word of Mouth. I'm Helen.
And I'm Billy.
And we're back to taste a whole host of brand new products that we've seen launching across the globe. We've also got an update of our fine fragrance flavours as well as our brand new gamer collection.
Nicely done.
So what have we got here? We've got White Glow from Australia.
They look really, really fun actually. So I've got strawberries and cream and a juicy watermelon.
Nice. I've got elderflower and summer spritz. So we'll get tasting.
I think I'll go strawberries and cream. What about you?
Nice, yeah. I'm going to go for, we're nearly at summertime, so summer spritz. See what it tastes like. Excuse me. You left me hanging. You're so excited to taste it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, fruity, soft. It reminds me of those, you remember Campino sweets?
I used to love those. Mine's got a really nice sweet citrus note, actually. Really nice juicy orange zest coming through. Really enjoyable.
Oh, nice. It's got a good little bit of cooling in there as well.
Yeah, I'm getting
Definitely
that
feel
coming through
some
now.
freshness coming through. That's lovely.
Great, great stuff.
So here I've got Spicta, an Indian brand, and I've got the Cucumber Experience toothpaste.
Nice. I've got also Spicta, and it's the lemongrass experience, and this one is a tooth foam.
Ooh, exciting. Should we get tasting?
Yes.
Santé.
Well, for me, it's a nice peppermint menthol lemongrass flavor. The lemongrass is quite distinct.
Yep.
And it gives a nice citrus, herbal, like aromaticity that gives quite a lot of freshness and a clean sensation. So I quite enjoyed this one.
Great, and this one's quite interesting too because it definitely has a strong cucumber note to it that's coming out in marine-like characters, but it's got a coolant or menthol in there as well, so you still get the freshness delivered too.
Whoa!
Hey, they're interesting. I like those.
What have we got here then?
Phytodent, so Croatia, I believe. Yeah.
Yep, and I don't think we get much from Croatia, so this should be quite interesting.
What have you got there? Because it's quite colourful.
Right, I've got gums and all.
Gums and all?
Gums and all.
Okay.
And also I've got a bright and fresh. So I'm quite looking forward to tasting these. We've got to taste 2 of these.
Okay.
So can I just be really bossy?
You can, yes.
I really like the look of this pink one. I really want to taste this pink one. And
I must admit, I'm looking, I've got
and
my
I
eye
want
on
to
the
be
yellow
even
one.
bossier. I want to do the yellow one as well.
Yeah,
Right,
okay,
done
agreed.
deal, done deal. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Lovely.
That's really
Yeah.
nice.
I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be that nice.
It's a good mint, but the chamomile is definitely coming through. Gives it a very nice soft edge to it as well.
I imagine the concept of whitening with this. No, very good.
Yeah, impressed with that.
Another one. So, we've got Funk Off. This is quite cool. This is a new format, a 2-in-1 toothbrush and toothpaste.
Interesting. What have I got? Oh, God. There we
Yay.
go. I've got liquid breath freshener capsules. Lively up your breath.
Looking beyond toothpaste and mouthwash in different ways, more on the go, portable oral care.
So they're these small little capsules. They're slightly sort of dark greenish in colour. Concentrated liquid breath freshener. They've got lots of lovely naturals in them. Organic ingredients as well.
So I've not seen anything like this before. So this
wow.
is literally a little toothbrush on the go, so you can take it with you. So we'll give it a turn at the bottom there, and the toothpaste should come out. Shall we
That is awesome.
give it a little taste each?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, this is quite strange.
This bursts in your mouth, my mum.
Yeah, quite interesting to use. I'm guessing you don't want to go now.
No, my mouth is fresh enough. This is really nice and cool, actually. Lovely spearmint flavour. Really interesting sensation when the capsule bursts and you get all of that liquid come into your mouth. Interesting. I quite like it.
Fine for her.
Fine for her, the new and updated fine fragrance collection. We've got quite a few of the old classics in there, but we've reinvigorated it with a few new flavours inspired by different fine fragrances around the world. I think I'm going to try a Summer Posy that's inspired by Daisy by Marc Jacobs.
And I think they all look really good actually, but I will try Driftwood inspired by wood sage and sea salt from Jo Malone.
Smells like I'm smelling a bouquet.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh wait, cheers.
Sorry.
Golly gosh, Selene!
Cheers. Santé. I like the clean, fresh sensation after tasting it. And it's got a very nice, sweet peppermint note with this complex, herbal, aquatic note. It's really nice.
And mine is super floral. Definitely like a Parma violet note almost coming through. It's almost coming a bit fizzy.
Yeah.
It makes it super fun. But agree, there's a nice peppermint mentholic base still, so you still feel clean and fresh after brushing.
Whoa, what have we got here? Oh, hello, Crest and your fancy bottles.
Yes, I've got cavity defence in 3 steps. Pour, swish, repeat.
And I have got here a germ treatment, and I also have a fresh mint breath control.
I think they covered all bases there.
Yep. I'm looking forward to tasting these.
Yeah, sounds intriguing.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm going to be the bossy one this time.
Really?
Really. And I'm going to say we're going to try these 2.
Okay.
Bottoms up.
Wow. Typical American profile. Strong, sweet. It's a wintergreen clove, spicy, really spicy clove with lots of cooling going on there. Quite refreshing, very nice.
That's interesting because I would say this one, again, it's a very classic taste for the USA, but I would say it's quite a gentle mint. It's very sweet. It's got some nice cooling, but it's nowhere near as harsh as some mouthwashes can be.
Yeah.
And actually, if you're put off by that harshness, this is a really good one because it's very soft and gentle. I like it.
Woo! So here I've got Few. This is a British brand, and this is a breath spray that contains ashwagandha and ginseng. It's really mood focused, and it looks to work with females' menstrual cycles to help provide anti-inflammatory benefits, reduce stress, reduce fatigue, and overall uplifting.
That's really interesting. I've never seen this in a oral
Me
care
either,
product.
completely new concept.
Yeah.
Should we get tasting?
Yes.
Ooh.
Quite interesting. It's interesting texture.
Yeah, it's quite oily.
Yes.
The mouth feels quite viscous.
Yeah. But it's a nice peppermint
Yes.
flavour. Nice peppermint piperita flavour. Quite
Yes.
fresh.
Very fresh.
And then it's got some spice notes, like pepper.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's turmeric and the ginseng in there as well.
Overall, I think it's a very nice product.
Yes.
It feels quite premium.
Yes.
The flavour is nice. The product looks nice.
Yes. I love the new positioning that this one's delivering. We've not
Yes.
seen anything that focuses on female health quite
No.
like this either, so I'd very happily carry this around in my handbag.
Yes.
Beep, 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 beep.
Getting your game on.
Yeah.
So this is our brand new flavour collection. So let's have a little look and see what's inside. We've got a whole host of flavours here, each one inspired by a different sort of iconic game. So we've got everything from Mario Brothers, we've got Grand Theft Auto, we've got Free Fire, Candy Crush, Pokemon, and each of the flavours represents the different themes and characters and styles that we see within each of those games. So should we have a little taste?
Yeah, what one you interested in?
Well, I love Mario Kart personally, so I've definitely got to go for Italian Adventure.
Fair enough. And I think Pineapple Royale, which I think is the Free Fire flavour, seems really interesting to me, so I'm going to have a go with that one.
Right, so I've got a nice bright green colour with my Mario flavour.
I've got a very shiny yellow.
Nice. Have a quick smell. Oh, that's interesting. Some really interesting notes coming through on mine.
Yeah, same. I've got some really nice pineapple-y, tropically notes, but you can feel the burn. You can almost
I can really
the burn.
smell in mine. Our olive accord. Ooh, one of my absolute favourites.
Cheers.
Ooh. So I've got a really interesting umami note coming through with that olive accord. There's also a soft tomato note there as well. So all those sort of pizzas, we know Mario loves his pizzas, so, and a little bit of basil as well, which gives it a nice green herbal note.
Oh, nice.
Really interesting.
Something really different.
Yeah.
Mine is a really nice pineapple flavour actually, quite juicy, but then there's all sorts going on in there in terms of sensations. You've got our fire shot technologies in there, and you can definitely feel that along with some really nice cooling and freshness. So yeah, there's definitely a party in my mouth at the minute.
Game on.
Game on.
Thanks for joining us. We've had an amazing time tasting all of those unique products and flavours. See you next time.